There is some crazy fun stuff in this store. You could feel like you're in any era, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, whatever your vibe. So you always need lighting. Those old houses like Trina's, they don't have any light in the living room. We need to have some cool lamps. Look at these amazing prices, guys. You can get this right here, right now. This one is beautiful. Think that the family needs a new pet. They haven't picked out a doggy yet or a cat. Maybe I bring this to the party. This chair is super cool. I like a white leather chair, but never get white leather when you have messy kids. But we always need love, no matter what you're shopping for. Time for a coffee break. Yes. We're shopping till we drop, and we're being spoiled by donation. We're in a crazy hurry to get this reveal happening Saturday. We've got to pick up the master bed stuff. Thanks, iFurniture. It's not gonna blow away. Okay guys, we're loaded and we're out of here. Let's go. Side tables are already put together. Wouldn't that be nice? Woo! You want me to? Yeah. Lean against the wall. You could do it. Oh, we made it.